Is Hinduism one of the best religion in the world? Answer is big no. Hinduism Sanatan Dharma doesn't even come in the top 10 best religion list. What is religion? Religion is something which was never made by God, but was made by humans. So every religion has its own founder. It is something which make differences in people according to in what they believe in and to whom they believe as their God. But who is Hindu? Hindu words actually comes from Sindhu, people who live across Indus River. So the real name of this culture is Sanatan, which literally means eternal, with no beginning and no end. And that's why Sanatan culture also had no founder. So Sanatan is not a religion, but it's a way of life. Do you know? There is no Sanskrit word for religion in Sanatan Dharma. Vedas, Upanishad, Purans, Agams, Bhagavad Gita, etc. There are so many ancient books in Sanatan culture, but there is not even a single word for religion. Many people misunderstood the word dharma as religion, but in Sanskrit, dharma actually means law of humans to protect humanity. Dharma and religion are totally two different concepts. So let's see what is the difference between religion and Sanatan Dharma. Religions believe in one particular god, but Sanatan culture is totally different from religion. In Sanatan culture, one can worship any god according to in what you believe in and in which profession you work. For example, if you are feminine, you can worship Durga Devi. If you are businessman, you can worship Lakshmi or Kuber. If you are fitness freak, you can worship Hanuman. If you love cooking, you can worship Annapurna Devi and so on. You can worship any god in which you can see yourself. There is no any restriction. Religions have one particular and strict way of worshipping God. In Sanatan, there are many ways of worshipping God. You can believe in form and formless God, that is Nirgun and Sargun Brahma. But what if you don't want to believe in any God? You still have freedom. You can worship tree, river, sky, ground, etc. because God is everywhere. If you plant trees and keep rivers clean, you are still worshipping God, and that's why Hinduism believes in karma. You get what you deserve. There is no one strict way of worshipping God. Ultimate goal of every religion is attaining heaven. If you don't worship God, you will be sent to hell. But ultimate goal of Sanatan culture is attaining moksha. Moksha is the state where there is no difference between God and devotee. It is a state in which devotee understands that Jivatma is shadow of Paramatma, and attaining moksha is not that easy. You will not attain moksha even if you worship your God whole day. Because what if any person is worshipping his God only because he is afraid of hell and he has lust of heaven inside him and not the love of God? That's why not everyone worshipping God attains moksha according to Sanatan culture. So there is an huge difference between Sanatan Dharma and religion. Religion is the one which make differences between people according to their belief, while Sanatan culture believe in Vasudev Kutumbakam. World is a family. No matter in which god you believe. Best example of this is Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is the book which teaches us the way of life and not about the religion. So Sanatan Dharma is the most beautiful culture and not any religion. So how can Sanatan Dharma be one of the best religion when there is no word and no concept of religion in this culture? There are still many differences between Sanatan Dharma and religion which cannot be fitted in this video. So thanks.